It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Hey, Emmett, what do you have there?
Piccadilly's.
What is a Piccadilly?
A Piccadilly is a type of pickle.
A type of pickle? It's actually a Navajo treat. It is snow cone with diced up pickles, diced up gummy worms, and Kool-Aid powder sprinkled on top. Is it gonna be good?
Yeah!
Should we take them out and try them?
Yes! I eat gummy worms!
All right, who wants a spoon?
I do.
I do! Yay!
Ready?
Give them a try. Let's see what you think of a Piccadilly.
Yuck! I like it.
That's good.
Yeah.
It has a sour taste to it.
Good. It tastes
But it's still kind of
like
good
gummies,
with sourness in it.
and then
The powder kind of lets you choke over it. Like you can just choke on the powder. Very sour. The juice is really good.
it tastes.
So the juice is snow cone juice that we just bought from the store. So basically sugar water. The Kool-Aid mix is basically sugar and flavor.
The gummy bears, or the gummy worms, are just sugar. And the pickles add a sour taste to it.
How does it compare to a snow cone?
Better. I'd rather have this than the snow cone. Yeah.
What do you think, Em?
Pretty good. Pretty good. I'd rather have this than a snow cone.
Yeah, so Piccadilly's are a thumbs up,
Yes.
and you'll have a good sugar rush when you're done.
Yeah.
So we found it in a magazine as we were traveling that it's a Navajo treat that they sell at different places. So we figured we had to give it a try. We're running out of ideas for New Food Friday, so send us your ideas. If you can't comment on YouTube, get on to Facebook or Instagram on Roadschool. Let us know what we should try.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 I'll eat some sugar.
You will eat some sugar.
You need to eat some sugar, Mom.